In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on display. Then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or switch it off. If you want to, you can also click on it on the left and use this switcher, which works exactly the same. The only difference is here you can read all of those informations about auto brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!